Wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Alright, hey guys, so I am currently in Kingston at FedEx and I'm doing a little shipping from Moya. So yep, so that's what's happening right now. So I'm currently out on the main road because to send off the thing I have part of the money in cash, part of it in card, and they don't take cash and card. You have to do either either. So dumb, eh? Yeah, so dumb. So I have to be trying a machine here because I'm using my American card, and normally I only use Scotiabank, but no, Scotiabank is all the way up at the road, way up. So if you don't know New Kingston, there you know how far Scotiabank there. So I'm standing outside of Burger King, and this is the view behind and the road and all of that, and I'm waiting on the machine. So I'm currently now inside the machine. So I'll stand at Burger King, that's Burger King out here, out there, and I'm now about to try this machine. I know these machines, they take extra money when I use my American card, and that's a big problem here. So let's see. It's really stupid. Like, first, like, I hate places that, you know, you say you're an high-class place, and we're talking about FedEx here, and they only have an option. Anyways, let me see. Card inquiry, check-in. People, so I got through at the machine, and I'm going back to the place. So yeah, that's basically what is up right now. Alright guys, so currently going over to where the car is now, and I think that should be it. So it's like a 2-day shipping, so it sends off next week because it's holiday in Jamaica now. So sends off next week Tuesday and get there in 2 days, which is Thursday. So yeah, so going home right now. Yes guys, me here in the editing studio. Now tell me why the girl look Pamela like me crazy. I hope you're a subscriber, you know. Look how she look Pamela like me crazy. That's why some vloggers afraid to vlog on the road now, because she probably wonder where this mad girl come from. And I'm so hungry. All I had this morning was 2 oranges and banana and water. That was it I had for the entire day. Yeah, it's expensive, but it's very effective. Are you gonna move? Go in, I'm fine. Hey guys, morning. I'm going to do my hair. This is how my head looks. So I had mango this morning as one of my breakfast meal. Just take up my teeth. I'm gonna brush my teeth, and it's still not come out. I'm gonna do my hair, but here right now I have to go to the machine to get the money to purchase the ear to pay the hairdresser. And if you're now a subscriber, well, listen to when I talk, the machine when I go, it might see him, so it might break down. Water. Rain was falling on my waist slippers. It might break down. This machine I guarantee to save nobody life. So we're going to see if the hairstyle I got me now, or when I go to sit down and come back. Alright, so if you're new, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video. The rain I come back though. I have to go for my umbrella, people. Excuse me. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, alright, I am home. So I did a whole lot in instead, but I did not feature anything because I was not really in the mood to be vlogging. So yes, the hair got done. I'm showing you how far it go. Hold on, I can put on the phone to show you how far it go down in the back. I'm gonna show you guys, but it goes all the way down in the back. First time trying something like this long as well, so I like it though. It's just simple and neat and make me look, light up my face, and me look different and stuff. So yeah, I went to the dentist and I got my teeth clean as well. It kind of didn't chip off something off of the one here. I feel rough. It's like a dentist chip or something off of them. So yeah, right now I'm gonna look about my go to the kitchen and tell my about for dinner. Yeah. So for dinner I'm gonna do some fried sprat. I got sprat Finland instead. Some more from my best sprat the other day it's like my hook. But just crave it. And I'm gonna do a fried sprat. I'm gonna do a little bit of callaloo, and I'm gonna do some. Let me show you. I also got roast breadfruit in linseed. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the sprat them. So yeah, I'm showing you sprat. And the sprat them season up. So yeah. So guys, despite my clothes are wet up a while ago by the water, I just eat one orange and wash them on. I want to do one little look at myself, like me feel me not take me a lose the weight, like not drastic nothing yet, but me feel good in myself, like me feel different. I have on this bra that I don't like wearing it because it makes me look big, but yeah, but it's like me feel alright. Look, me feel good in myself, like, you know, me feel like something go on. It could be me, it might just be me overthinking because me I put in the work. I'm trying to put in the work, but also the area how tall it is. Yeah. So yeah, right now I'm there lately. I wanna go do this fried sprat them breadfruit steamed little callaloo, and I'm gonna dinner early. My workout this morning, I'm wondering if I'm gonna work out tonight because I just do my ear. I don't want the sweats. I don't want the sweat, and when my ear just do it's like me crawl. I just mean that, like when the ear touch me, especially if it's wet or so I'm gonna take my workout tonight. Alright, hold on, so I'm taking my bed now and showing her, like, this is me taking in my belly. Alright, I'm gonna take in my belly. Why yeah, so I'm gonna take my workout tonight, tomorrow, so today is Saturday, yeah. So now I get the vlog up today. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start the feet, but hungry really killing me, so I'm gonna go and snack from me like a diet crackers and it's very snack for this, and I don't know go. It's really good. This is like almost $20, so it's not even expensive. So yeah, I'm gonna go do the fish now and deal with everything, and then, you know, I'm really hungry, so yeah. So guys, this is my pot and my fishes. Not all of them, just some of them are cooking. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is dinner. Yeah, it looks like Sunday morning breakfast, right? So the fish, the sprat them, as you can see. Did I show you guys? No, I don't think so. I fried them in eggs and flour, so them not broke up easily. Can't no sprat stay, you know. And the breadfruit and callaloo. Hey, so babe one that I'm gonna do my one now. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna end up this video though. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're always watching here, welcome, big up on yourself. Thank you so much for the support. We're almost at 2K, guys. 2K, I can't wait. Listen, hey, people from all clean my teeth today and I come like, him tell me I have one cavity and he come like, man, chub it and he come like, no, he can murder me. Or it I go murder me. Feel that way, man. Alright guys, so big up on yourself until another video. Bye bye.